Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. So I'm gonna make a really beautiful cocktail. I love a great cocktail. This is my cocktail garden that I planted, and this is thyme right here. I'm gonna make a fig thyme cocktail because I'm gonna make a simple syrup. So it's just gonna be thyme with some sugar boiled, and that is going to be my simple syrup that I make my fig cocktail with. So let's get a couple figs here. See these figs? So I got some figs here, and now I got these are ready to go. So I better get them before the squirrels. Because you know, I live out in the wilderness. Animals come and eat your produce that you work so hard getting. All right. And this tree hasn't fully developed, but it yielded me a few for the first time, and I'm thankful. So my fig thyme cocktail is really, really simple. I'm gonna make a simple syrup to get started. So simple syrup is really easy. I'm gonna take thyme, and I don't even have to take it off its vine right now because I'm just gonna throw it in there with a cup of water. Do 1 cup water, and then you come back and do 1 equal measurement of sugar, and you boil it to make your simple syrup. And I'm making thyme simple syrup. So I'm going to use, this is coconut sugar. You can use any kind of sugar, white sugar, whatever. I just have this handy, so that's what I'm using. And this is like a really refreshing drink with Prosecco and Cointreau. Cointreau is like an orange liqueur that, you know, you make margaritas or you do Cosmo. All right, I'm gonna put this on the stove just to boil down, and then we're gonna use that as our simple syrup. Okay. I love figs. Now look at this. These figs are so good at coming up. I love figs. Not everybody loves figs. I love figs. I mean, actually, I love everything. But I'm gonna muddle them up. And then we'll cut them up to look pretty too. Super easy. Super different. That's what you get at Allie in the Valley. You get different stuff. You know? I'm gonna put a 1/4 of Cointreau. Like I said, it's an orange liqueur. I love it. It's kind of expensive, but it's really good. A 1/4. Okay. So I'm going to do juice of a lime, like a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. The more lime juice, the better. That's how I feel about it. Okay, then I gotta wait for the simple syrup to be done, and then I'll put the Prosecco. So it's really kind of a Prosecco bubbly, figgy, yummy, tiny drink. Okay, I'll be right back. You're supposed to let this cool down, but I'm busy right now. So now you're gonna squish all the figs in here so you can get that figgy, yummy, tasty flavor of figs. All right, there you go. There's a thyme, fig, Prosecco, Cointreau, Allie in the Valley. You can take some of the pulp and put it in there to make it look yummy. It's not actually looks like a good Halloween cocktail, good autumn cocktail. Yes. All right. I gotta do the taste test. So, cheers to the Fig Thyme cocktail by Addie in the Valley. You know where to get the recipe. www. What? Addie in the Valley. Really good. It's kind of slushy and feels healthy. Got a little kick, but not too strong. Next girl party, this is definitely on the list.